Greetings, car fanatics. I'm in the 997 and we have a problem with the car. I don't make these videos often because this car has been so reliable. In this situation, the side mirror here does not work. So I started to notice this issue when I would go into reverse. It would tilt the mirror down, but then it wouldn't return to the up position. And now, after I mess with the switch, it doesn't move the mirror at all, so it's completely dead. But rest assured, we're going to get this fixed. It's a pretty common issue, and all we have to do is replace the mirror motor. Let me show you how to do that. To fix the mirror, we're going to need a new motor. In this case, I purchased a used one on eBay for about $55. First, we need to remove the mirror. We want to push it in and then push it up. Then we want to grab the corner and just pry it off like so. Now we can remove the mirror motor. It's just held on by 3 T10 Torx screws. Disconnect the wire from the motor by gently pulling it out. Then reconnect your new motor and do everything in reverse. Now let's snap the mirror back in place. All right, here we go, the moment of truth. All right, our motor works, and let's just double check that the memory setting also works. Alright, car fanatics, so that's how you fix a broken side mirror on a Porsche 997. This also applies to the Boxer 987 and pretty much a lot of different Porsches. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave me comments or questions below and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.